Hello, RRP. It's me, repeat brother, Matt. We're here to train. I agree, RRP. But what do you do watch the movie? Matt, tonight you need to watch from 1998 VHS to Peter Pan. So the 45th anniversary and I cannot watch it. Yeah, let's watch movie from the Master Classic. Let's watch it. Don't watch it! What's that? Stop watching because the THX logo. Bots again. How many you again? Well, go watch it, see to yourself. Okay, let's declare the end. Wait, what is that? Just put the VHS in mouth. Okay, VHS in. And put watching the movie. Okay, again, sorry. FBI on the screen. Yes, no more THX trains, just the movie. Me a trains and let's get all the trailers. I need to see that it's just the movie.
Special program.
There.
You Can Fly, the making of Peter Pan.
So great. And now,
a
a feature presentation. Okay, let's see that they're very on THX. Wait a minute, what's that sound?